Here's the example of the area proof of the Pythagorean theorem. So as we've looked at in class, the areas of the two smaller squares always equal the area of the largest square when you have a right triangle. So I need to adjust, or I can adjust these sliders here. Let's say B is 5 and A is 9. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take both of these areas, which the Desmos application broke up very nicely for us. And I'm just going to rearrange them and make both of these fit exactly into the biggest area. Again, to show that the area off the two legs will equal the area off the hypotenuse. So if I take this, I need to find a spot where it's going to fit, maybe there. This one might fit up here. This one looks like it'll fit here. This one looks like down here. So I took the whole area of this leg squared, put it in here. Now I'm going to take the area of the other leg squared. And when you put them all together, you can see it equals exactly the area off the longest side. And even if I adjusted these sliders, it's always going to work as long as the A is greater than B, at least for this particular proof.